Good evening, guys. Back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. A four-star Sudoku in today's newspaper on Wednesday, May the 22nd, 2024. And we have here three regular puzzles. One of them I've already solved, the three-star Sudoku, so two puzzles remain, the binary and the four stars Sudoku. In this newspaper, I've told you earlier, we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. And what's the news of today? Well, it's war day number 819 days, 19 days ago. The war started in Ukraine and everything has been changed in the world. Alright, Sudoku with 4 stars, number 8576. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. Usually the 4-star Sudoku has 24 printed digits. This one has 26. Should be a 2 stars puzzle. 2 stars puzzle I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Question is this a 4 stars or a 2 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. Let me see. How about the 2 in this column? 2 in the column next on the last column. Only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2, 2. 2, 2. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 3 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 in the middle row, no 2 there. So the only place left for the 2 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 5 and the 6. We have 5 and a 6 in this big square, so no 5 and a 6 in these 3 boxes. 5 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So what are these 3 missing numbers in this column? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 and the 6. 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 1, 7, 9. So we need a 3. See, I need a 8. I need a 3, 8, and the 4. Okay. Then, let me see. How about 8, 8. The one in the last row, the one in the row above, so that row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this row. 2 of those missing numbers are the 8 and the 9. We have 8. Oh, no. We already have an 8 in this row. The 9. Well, need to wait here. Yeah. Come on. 1 in this row, the 1 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 6, 2. Need a 6 here. No, we have a 6 here. I need 5, 5, 5, 5. Thinking. Need a 9 here. 7, 7, need a 7 there, need a 7 here. We have a pair. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is a 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 in this box. 7 in the last column, no 7 in that box. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. We have a pair, told you earlier. We have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes, and a 1 in this column. We have a 1 and a 7 in the last column, so the column between. Only 2 places left for the 1 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Alright, so 3 missing numbers in this column. 1 of the missing number in this column is number 8. We have 8 in this big square, so no 8 in this box. So the 8 could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Need 8 here. Alright. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place level 3. I should be there. I need a 3 here. I need a 6 here. 8. 7. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and 8. We have 7 and 8 in this row, so no 7 and 8 in these 2 boxes. 7 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 8, 7 8. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3. 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6. 7 and 8. 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So we have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 4, QB here, QB there. About these 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. And the 5 is missing, 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. Well, I cannot place the 4 here because we have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this big square. So the 4 is supposed to be here, and the 5 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So last column, the only place level 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 3 and a 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. So, need a 6 here. And I need a 9 here. 6 and 9. 9, 9. Okay. 1, 2. 4. In this first column, 4 in the second column, so the third column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 last row, no 4 there. 4, I should be there. 3, 7, and 9. I need a 9 in this row. Well, here can be 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 there. Here can be 9. We have a 9 in the first column, no 9 there. The only place level 9 should be there. 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column, so the third column, the only place level 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in one of those 2 boxes in that row. So the row between the only 2 places level 9 goes together with the 4 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5, 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, we have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 5 goes there. 1 box left in this row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6, 7 is missing here. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5, the 6, 5, and 6. We have a 6 in the middle row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Then 3 and a 7. In this row, we have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. 3 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 3. 3. Alright. Need a 4. 4, 4, 4. 5, 5, 5, 5. Need a think. 7. 7. What the 1? Need a 1 here. Yeah. Need a 9 here. Need a 9 there. And I need 3 and 9. Need a 9 here. 8. Need an 8 here. Come on. 4, 5. 1, 7, 6, and 6 there. Need a 3 here. I'm stuck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 9. Need a 6 here. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, now only 2 places left. The 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this second row. No 6 there. 6 should be there. So the 4 and the 9 are left in this column. 4 and the 9. We have a 4 in the second row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 9 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 9. And need a 6 here. 179. These 3 missing numbers in this big square are numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3, 4, 8. 3, 4, 8. Nope, cannot fill this yet. Need a 2 there, need a 6 there. Need a 1 here. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Need a 2 there. Need a 2 here. Need a 2 there. Thinking. Need a 3 here. Need a 3 there. So we need a 3 here. Yeah. In this row, second row, we need a 3. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. We need a 3. Here can be 3. We have 3 in the first column. No 3 there. Here can be 3. We have 3 in the third column. No 3 there. Here can be a 3. We have 3 in this column. So no 3 there. So the only place left of 3 in the second row should be here. So the other 2 numbers left are the numbers 4 and 8. 4 and 8. Okay, 4 and 8. Need to wait. Okay, now these 3 should be 1, 7, and 8 is missing. 8. Well, 3 missing numbers in the second row. One of the missing numbers is an 8. Here can be an 8. We have 8 in the first column. No 8 there. Here can be an 8. We have 8 in this column. So no 8 there. Only place left for the 8 in the second row. Should be there. So the 1 and the 7 are left. We have a 1 in the first column. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 7 goes there. So 2 numbers left here in this column for numbers 7 and a 9. 7 and 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 7 goes there. 1 and a 7. We have a 7 in the third row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And a 1 goes there. So we have a 1 in this column, 1 in the second column, so the third column. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in the third row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 1. Number 1. Okay. I need a 2 and the 6 is missing. 2 and 6. Interesting. 6 in this row, third row, 6 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in the second column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left, the 6 should be there. 6 in the last row, 6 in that row. So the row between, the only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in the middle column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 6. 1 box left in the first column for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 in the first column, 2 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 2. 2 numbers left in this big square for almost the 1, the 2. 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We have 3 in the third column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for almost the 1, the 2, 3. The 4, 5 is missing. The 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing here. 4 and the 9, we have 9 in the middle column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes in there. Then. Let me see. Two numbers left in this big square from the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and 5, 7 and 5. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 7 goes there. 8 and a 7. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And 8 goes there. A 1 box left in this column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 4 and 8, we have 8 in the first row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 4 goes there. And the final two numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1 and 2. 3 is missing and the 4 is missing. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 3 in the third row. No 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Wow. 15 minutes. 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. Yeah, I'm not faster than 15 minutes. Otherwise, it will be a 1 star. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. I think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the third regular puzzle, the binary puzzle. Until then, bye-bye for now.